Tamara Sujú. Article 5. We have the right to freedom from torture. Combating the crime of torture, whether physical, psychological, or otherwise, cruel, inhuman, or degrading treatment has become my life's mission for many years. I consider it the worst punishment or penalty to which a human being can be subjected. Along with it, their family circle also suffers the consequences. Torture can be executed under the permissibility of states as determined by their legislation against minority groups, gender, religious groups, or children in states where the rule of law does not exist. In countries at war is executed against civilian society or prisoners of war, in states where there are criminal or terrorist groups that are not controlled by said state or act with its tolerance. These crimes are committed against defenseless or completely subdued individuals, those who cannot protect themselves and are degraded to such an extent that they lose control of their own bodies. These crimes are committed to cause them pain and suffering, to exemplify punishments, or to obtain testimonies whose traces are hardly forgettable or overcome. These tortures are committed in a world where the pain and suffering of individuals and groups subjected to these crimes are promptly forgotten by the majority without receiving the comprehensive attention they need. Working to provide alerts that help prevent this crime, and seeking solutions so that human beings do not have to experience such pain and suffering, should be a priority for all states that are part of the United Nations system and regional bodies. In most cases, these entities react slowly and without coercive power to prevent them from continuing to occur. 75 years have passed since the proclamation of the Universal Declaration of Human Rights, and torture, cruel, inhuman, and degrading treatment still persist in countries that claim to be democratic. Let us all work for the never again.